Hey boss, in this video we'll show you how to create a physical or a digital product. Let's say you sell a t-shirt or a yoga mat or anything else like that. So make sure you're in products and services, and we'll just edit our t-shirt product here, and you'll see package type. When you choose your package type, you have a physical product and a digital product. So we'll choose physical product here. You put in the price, you can put in some more information, you can put in different photos, etc., of this product. If you want to put frequently asked questions or testimonials about this specific product, you can do that as well. And we'll show you how this looks. So here's selling a physical product. You put different pictures, etc., testimonials, FAQs, and the same thing with a digital product. For example, here we have an ebook that we give away. And so just choose a digital product and you can put a price, or if it's a giveaway, so you may want to have the price would be 0. You have a redirect URL to download the product, the ebook afterwards, after they take the booking. You can put success message, etc., everything like you would any other product or service. And this is how it would look. Download now for free. Click that, put your name and email address, and then it will forward to the PDF online that you put up. Anyway, that's how you create physical and digital products with Book Like a Boss.